In the realm of garden design, a square pond can transform a simple outdoor space into a masterpiece of tranquility. Imagine a serene landscape where the gentle sound of a fountain harmonizes with the soft rustle of leaves, drawing you into a world of relaxation. The pond, with its glistening surface, serves as the centerpiece of this idyllic garden, inviting both contemplation and connection with nature. Surrounding the tranquil pond, a meticulously arranged bed of smooth pebbles creates a stunning contrast against vibrant green shrubs and expertly crafted topiary art. These sculpted plants not only add structure, but also enhance the sense of order and harmony within the garden. Their elegant forms, coupled with the rich colors of deep burgundy foliage and bright pink flowers displayed in tasteful pots, contribute to a visually captivating scene. Complementing this natural beauty, warm yellow fencing provides a delightful backdrop that accentuates the rich hues of the surrounding flora. The interplay of sunlight and shade bathes the entire area in a golden glow, highlighting the textures of the pond's wooden borders and the lush grass edging the path. This careful attention to detail creates an inviting atmosphere, perfect for outdoor relaxation. To design your square pond effectively, consider these professional tips. Location and size. Choose a spot that receives ample sunlight while being sheltered from harsh winds. The size of the pond should correspond to the scale of your garden, ensuring it remains a focal point without overwhelming the space. Water features. Incorporate features such as fountains or waterfalls to enhance the auditory experience and promote a soothing ambiance. The sound of flowing water can provide a calming effect, drawing visitors into the tranquility of the garden. Plant selection. Surround the pond with a variety of plants that thrive in moist conditions. Use a mix of tall and low-growing varieties to create visual interest, ensuring they harmonize with the overall color palette of your garden. Maintenance and care. Regular upkeep is essential for preserving the beauty of your tranquil pond. Monitor water quality, prune topiaries, and manage plant growth to maintain a balanced ecosystem. Seating areas. Incorporate comfortable seating around the pond to encourage relaxation and contemplation. Choose materials that complement the natural aesthetic while providing durability for outdoor use. By thoughtfully implementing these elements, you will craft a serene outdoor retreat that encapsulates the essence of tranquility and beauty. Your ideal square pond will not only enhance the visual appeal of your garden, but will also serve as a sanctuary for quiet reflection and outdoor relaxation. Embrace the art of garden design and let your tranquil pond be the heart of your serene landscape.